This is the 2014 United Recruit, produced in collaboration with Etnies. Through our riders Corey Martinez, Nathan Williams and Geoff Slattery, we are offering this limited edition entry-level complete bike in black with 3 different pops of colour and an entire collection of footwear and apparel, the United Colors of Etnies. The bike has a 20-inch top tube, 75-degree head tube angle, 13.25-inch chainstays, 11.8-inch bottom bracket height and an 8-inch standover height. It features a United Direct 2.1-inch rear tyre and a 2.3-inch front tyre, a padded United seat, United grips, 36-hole colour anodised rims, colour-matched United stems and a 4-pull ultra-loud fully sealed cassette hub. It weighs in at 25 pounds exactly and it is an ideal bike for anyone getting started in BMX.